This your boy, 84 LSX Cuddy checking in. Psych, nah. Anyways, though, that boy working. I just did this literally a few minutes ago. The motor out. I just gotta remove them damn fuel lines. That plate right there. This dashboard. That rear end. I'm waiting on King D 2500 to send me some upper control arms and all the bolts. Yeah.
Alright, I gotta go.
Alright, I'm just finished shooting this YouTube video.
She's asking for you.
Alright, I'm about to leave. You think it's gonna work again?
I think so. He says if it does,
right.
He says we gotta get something done with the service.
Okay.
So.
Man, you ain't got no painter's tape.
Oh, I don't?
Nah.
Okay, then.
Alright, well, I'm out here freezing my ass off because I live in Ohio. Cincinnati, starting to get cold. My motherfucking feet is freezing. But I told y'all I was gonna get this out. I'm still waiting on King D 2500. He said he was gonna send it this week. I get the uppers, I can throw this motherfucker in. But only thing I got left to do now is to remove my coilovers and then that red brace right there. And then that's it on that. But yeah, it's coming together. Coming together. I might repaint this. I don't know. I might